Hello. So I don't have any growing space properly set up on my allotment just yet because I've only had it for a few weeks, but I don't want to miss out on the crops that should be getting sown now or planted in the ground now. So I'm doing a little bit of preparation at home in my greenhouse. Now, one of the things I really love to grow is elephant garlic. It's just such fun. It's absolutely bonkers. Enormous, great big cloves, and they just form these massive, great big bulbs. Now, they're not cheap, so I tend to just buy a few and save them every year. This year, I haven't got any saved from previous years just because it's been a little while since I've actually had space to grow garlic. So I've only got 5 to plant. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant them in my greenhouse in pots so that when I have some growing space available at my allotment, I can plant them out. Now, this should mean that they get cold enough to vernalise, and that helps them to split open, and also mean that they won't rot because they'll start to put down roots and send up shoots, and really they don't mind being moved. So all I'm doing is I'm going to take a little bit of potting compost. Don't need to be too precious about this because they are really quite tough, and then I'm just going to plant the bulb into the pot just like that, and I'm going to leave a little bit showing at the top, and that's it. I'm using Dalefoot composts, which holds on to moisture really well, which is definitely a good thing, but I'm going to go easy on adding moisture, so I'm just using a spray bottle rather than a watering can, just because this means that I can control the amount of water that is going in a lot easier. So there we go. That's all it is, and now, whenever I'm ready, my garlic will also be ready.